The latest in the investigations into the Delhi blasts. Delhi police now acting quite fast. They've taken one of the arrested terror suspects, Saif, to Karnataka to probe whether the bombs came from the state. Saif was captured by the police during the encounter at Jamia Nagar in the capital. He reportedly confessed that the bombs used in all those blasts came from Karnataka. Also, police teams have been dispatched to Hubli and Udupi in Karnataka to investigate possible terror connections. The police have also come to know while interrogating the suspects that Shakil, Zia and Zia's father Abdul Rahman that they had plans to plant about 20 bombs in Delhi's Nehru Place. Meanwhile, police have analysed telephone records of Atif, who was killed during the shootout. It confirms that he was present at all sites in Delhi a day before the blasts. Police sources say the laptop seized from the house has also thrown up evidence. The logo of the Indian Mujahideen used on the terror mails was found saved on that laptop. For more on this, let's go across to our correspondent Arunodaya Mukherjee in New Delhi, closely following the blast investigations. Arunodaya, the Delhi police taking one of those arrested suspects to Karnataka. What exactly is it looking for in terms of leads?
Well, Ananya, we have to put this in the right context. Over the past couple of months, over the past few years, the southern part of India has, it's been slowly emerging as a new terror target for various organizations. You've seen attacks happen outside the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. You have the Mecca Masjid blast in Hyderabad. Then, of course, you have the recent serial blast in Bangalore again. So clearly, there are certain modules that are functioning in various parts of Karnataka and other parts of southern India. The special cell of the Delhi police has got some substantial leads that the explosives that were used for the Delhi blast were indeed brought from somewhere in Karnataka, and the person who had brought those explosives was indeed Saif. That is why Saif has been taken to Karnataka by a team of special cell officials to try and establish that link, to try and establish that trail, because they need to crack down on the area where another possible Indian Mujahideen module is functioning from. Where are the explosives coming from? Until and unless you stop the source, you try and crack down on where all this is coming from, you'll have similar incidents continuing.
Arunodaya, you're talking about the Indian Mujahideen module. The laptop recovered from Atif had apparently the logo of the Indian Mujahideen saved on it. Are the police any clearer now about this group, about who the members are?
Well, yes, the police does have all these items as material electronic pieces of evidence, which will help them in their investigations. They've realized that there were special Photoshop softwares which were used to actually draft all those emails that have been sent after the various blasts in the past as well. They've also found photographs of accused like Abu Bashar, who was accused in the Ahmedabad blast, also Tawqir, who was believed to be in constant contact with all these people. Now, initial reports also suggested that Tawqir was perhaps the one who was signing off as Al-Arbi in that Indian Mujahideen mail, in all of those mails. Now, the special cell has also told us that, sources have also told us that, the emails had been coming from Mumbai, somewhere in Mumbai. All these threatening emails had been coming. So clearly there is another person who's been sitting there and has been sending the mails. Whether it's just one person or whether it's another module that is functioning in a systematic manner in that area itself are all questions that the special cell will try to answer in the next couple of days. Remember, they do have 14 days now of custody of these people who've been arrested yesterday and day before. They need to make the most of those 14 days to try and get together all the pieces of evidence and try and establish clear links and clear trails so that they can take the investigation forward.
All right.